Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to do the browser review of Nokia Asha 311. We are going to test the default browser which comes pre-installed on Nokia Asha 311. As per Nokia, this browser is quite good for your phone. In case you are running on limited bandwidth on your phone, you can actually use this browser which compresses the data and decreases the overall usage, the mobile internet usage on your phone. So let's take a look at this browser. Here we have the browser already open on Nokia Asha 311. The home page gives you the link to access Nokia, Facebook, Twitter or Cricinfo, as well as you can also tap over here to explore the popular sites. You can tap over here and it will give you a list of popular sites which you can go through. Apart from this, if you go to the tools section, you have the column view which you can either turn on or turn off. And this browser also gives you how much data usage you have done while browsing, so it will keep a track of it. It will keep a track of all the number of pages which you have opened, as well as it will give you how much data you have downloaded while using the browser on this phone. You can also get the page info over here. For all the web pages which you open, it will give you the information that what is the size of that web page. Then you can access the help and about. The browser version on this phone is 2.0.268.13.1. So apart from this, if we go into the settings, you can also increase and decrease the image quality, which will affect the overall browsing speed. So if you have an average image quality, it will be better and it will be faster basically. If you have the good or the best quality, then the overall browsing speed will decrease for the pages which has a lot of images. Apart from this, you have the search engine preference as well, which you can specify. Either you can specify Google, Bing or Yahoo. The default is Google. You can reject or accept the cookies from certain websites, as you can see. Then you have the option of autofill as well, which you can clear from here. You can save the passwords for some websites which you use regularly on this phone. You can clear the passwords over here, and you can clear all the personal data of yours which is stored in this browser by tapping over here. If we come out from settings, then we have the option of giving a feedback as well to Nokia. So you can give a feedback while using this browser by using this option. You just need to tap on feedback and it will redirect you to the Nokia website where you can enter your feedback about the phone or the browser on this phone. Now at the bottom we have a bar where tapping on this particular icon, it will take you to the home page. This is how you can access the history of all the web pages which you have opened on this phone. Here we have the download section, which will give you a list of all the files which you have downloaded from internet using this browser. Here we have the apps which are like Nokia Store or the Zomato app, which you can actually access using this browser. So in case you want to exit the browser anytime, you can always tap over here and then select yes to close this application. And if you want to go to the home page, you can tap over here and you can go to the home page. Let's try and loading a web page. So when it comes to typing, the keyboard, the on-screen keyboard is right now the full QWERTY keyboard. You can change the settings to have a normal number kind of a keyboard which you normally see on other feature phones. So this is how the normal keyboard looks like, and you can convert this into a full QWERTY keyboard by tapping over here, and then you can enable the full keyboard from here, and once enabled it will give you the full keyboard. Apart from this, you can also enable the prediction over here or the word completion. as you can see. So right now we are on the full screen keyboard. Let's try loading a website, as well as let's see how we can type using this keyboard. So when it comes to typing, the experience is quite good. I can easily type on this phone using the QWERTY keyboard, and once you have typed the URL, you need to tap over here where you see a right icon. Now it will start loading the website. So it has loaded the website completely, quite fast I must say, and I can do pinch to zoom. So pinch to zoom is perfectly supported on this phone in case you want to read the text on the web page. However, it is not very smooth. Vertical scrolling is also quite good. Panning over the web page is okay, not as smooth as it should be. As far as reading the text of the web page, so this is a desktop based website which we are trying to read, so I can easily read the text, as you can see. And the pinch to zoom is only two modes. Either you can view the page like this, or you do the pinch to zoom and it will take you to a zoom level which you cannot customize, I think. And in case you want to go to the home page, you can always tap over here, and then you will have all the options of the browser. The address bar over here, this is the settings menu. You can share this web page, add this page to the favorites. You can access the tools, settings and feedback, and at the bottom you have the toolbar of the browser, which we already explained. So as far as the browsing experience is concerned, this phone has quite good browser, which is by default quite fast when it comes to loading web pages because it compresses data. Let's try loading a web page with some images. Okay. So it has loaded the web page quite perfectly, and in case I want to actually see this image, I can tap on it and open this image in a new tab, or I can also save images from the web pages using the browser on this phone. So it will download that particular image, and once it is downloaded, you can access the download section over here and see the images and other data which you have downloaded using this browser. So this browser is quite good as far as this phone is concerned, because this phone is quite a budget smartphone which doesn't support Flash, I think, but we are not sure about this. But the browser on this phone is quite good, okay to be used. In case you want to use a browser which has more functionalities as compared to this browser, or which could be more smoother, then I would suggest you to go for Opera Mini. That's all from us regarding the browser review of Nokia Asha 311. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel. Thank you. This is Abhishek signing off.